Hey guys, welcome back to another video, Stovetop Yum Yum. Today we'll be making it Carlito's way, and we are going to make fruit smoothies. And here are the ingredients of our fruit smoothie, guys. Okay, first ingredient, 1 cup of ice. Second ingredient, half a cup of milk, 1/4 of a cup of sugar, blueberries, raspberries, my favorite, strawberries, and banana, very ripe banana. So let's get started. Okay, first, you want the milk in here. You want the ice in the cup. 1 cup of ice. You want your milk. Half a cup of milk. Pour it in. You want our sugar. 1/4 of a cup of sugar. And then blueberries, raspberries, banana. This banana, gonna put it in our beautiful fruit smoothie right now. It's very ripe banana. This is the forgotten banana here. We're gonna put in our smoothie. Oh, it's a little bit, it's really ripe, guys. Just banana. Ooh. Here we go. Peeling our banana. Put our very ripe banana in there. And then our strawberries. We need to cut our strawberries. So first things first, you want to take the green off the top, the leaves off the top, and then let's move all this. We just want to cut them in half and put them in. Okay, first one is done. Put them in. Remove the leaves. Cut them in half again. Want to be careful at this part. You don't want to cut your fingers. And you want to leave 1 strawberry and cut it, but you don't want to cut it fully, so you can put it on the side of the cup when you're done and you're ready to eat, to drink. Okay, now the cap. You don't want to do it too tight, but you do want to do it tight so the water and the milk doesn't come out. Flip. Right, we're just gonna, here we go. Let's adjust this for you guys right here. And now we're going to push down, and it will start. Oh guys, look at this. Look at our smoothie, it looks good.
Keep doing it.
Let's give it a little bit more. Okay guys. Wow, look at this. A nice pink smoothie.
Yum, yum.
Yum, yum. These look delicious. Wow, let's get the cap off of this one. Want to be careful with the blades. My hands are slippery. Let's get Mama in here to help us. Here you go. Here you go, Mom. There you go. Mom's here.
Hey guys, I'm here helping my little Yum Yum. Ooh, this thing is tight.
I know.
What did you make here?
We made some
God.
delicious Yum Yum smoothies.
That's so good. Oh my God, here's your cup.
Mm-hmm.
You want to pour it in?
Let's pour it in.
That's a ripe banana right there.
Yes.
I just got home from work, you guys. And I have him here making smoothies. You want to pour it all the way in? Why don't you fill it up?
All the way to the top. Here.
Yum.
Yum, yum. Right there. That's perfect. We don't want to overdo it.
No. What are you going to garnish with?
We are going to garnish with... What are we going to garnish garnish with?
With our strawberry. With your strawberry?
Oh yeah, I forgot about this.
Okay, so carefully just open it and slip it in. Oh, that's pretty.
Look at this, guys.
Show your audience.
This is Carlito. This is Carlito Way's Yum Yum Smoothie. Thumbnail. Okay, now we're tasting. Look at this delicious Yum Yum Smoothie. So now let's taste. Mmm. One more. You can taste the strawberries with the banana. Makes a lot of flavor. It just tastes delicious, guys, honestly. You guys should try it out. It tastes yum. Okay, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure you have the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more videos. Okay, see you guys, bye!